Hello, welcome to Vonnie Talk. Today, I would like to introduce the automatic straightening machine to you. This is the optional different type of the automatic feeding rack. If you follow my channel, you may find that we have different type of the automatic feeding rack for the straightening machine. This is the another new type, the automatic lifting in the feeding rack and pass into the straightening machine. But this rack can solve your problem. It's used for the raw material is very bent. You can see this rack is use the train to pass the raw material to the V-trough. Then to step by step to enter the feeding rack and then enter to the straightening machine to do the straightening process working. So after use this automatic rack can save 1 to 2 labor costs and improve the efficiency for our customer production line. For this application cases is supplied to our Japanese customer. They produce the similar steel and the round steel for the carbon steel. Supplied to the automatic industry. They require the straightness less than 0.3 millimeter per meter. So use our straightening machine can meet their needs. If you require a metal material like the solid bar of the hollow pipe to get more competitive in the market, you should improve your product accuracy. So if you are still looking for the high precision straightening machine for your product, you can contact to us. We will give you the different optional advice to your production line requirements.